This is Resourceful Marcus. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Subscribe, it helps me very much. Thank you, I appreciate it. So I'm narrating this video because this video, the volume, the audio was screwed up in this video. So in this video I'm taking and I'm custom mounting brackets to my wall studs where my Bowflex machine is. I'm marking them out with a tape measure, and I'm going to drill the holes in the studs, and I'm going to be applying the hooks that hang on brackets, which will hold my workout attachments for my Bowflex. Just cleaning up, taking them off the floor, because I had them on the floor and you trip over this stuff, so it was just nice to take and put the mount the brackets to the wall studs and hang all that stuff up. It looks a lot more organized and neat. Yeah, the audio in this video, for some reason it was screwed up, and I'm redoing the audio on this video and just narrating it to let you know what I was doing in this video. There were two different angles in this video. I shot this video from two different angles with two different cameras. I'm still trying to learn all this stuff with the video and everything for YouTube. I've only been doing this for a couple of months, so I'm still learning. It just takes time. I'm trying to build my channel. I'm trying to get more subscribers. My goal is to try to get to 500 subscribers or more if possible in the future. It just takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. So as you can see, I'm screwing the hang-on brackets into the wall stud. Those brackets are actually, they're strong. They don't look that strong, but they're actually very strong. They're holding everything very well. Haven't had any issues yet. That was the first two hang-on brackets I installed. I was just finishing up here. I know my back was turned putting those two. Pretty simple to do as long as you know where your wall studs are and you drill pre-drill a hole to screw them in. I think I used was a 1/4-inch drill bit when I did this. As you can see, I'm putting the lat bar, pull down bar on there. That. And I took my easy curl bar, put that up there as well. So that's quite a bit of weight right there. It's about 25 pounds in total with those two bars, and it's holding it no problem. As long as you tighten them into the wall studs the right way and you don't use too big of a drill bit for a starter pilot hole to thread those hang-on brackets, and you shouldn't have an issue with them ever coming off the wall. They can hold quite a bit of weight. I know when I did this, I was actually looking at it and I thought I was going to have a problem when I was hooking my cables back up for my power rods, where the power rods would be hitting with that stuff, but actually there's no issue. I had enough worked out where I had enough room to do the my power rod with my exercises. There's no issues where it's hitting. I thought it was gonna hit, but that's what I was checking here. As you can see, that's what I was checking to see if there were going to be any issues. Now, if they would have been, those hang-on brackets would have been out from the wall probably another quarter inch or half inch, then it would have been a problem. And they wouldn't have worked because they would have been too long. I probably could have cut where it threads in a bit. Just cut it a bit and then threaded them in to make them go in a bit further to the wall, like closer to the wall. Anyways, it worked out. Now here I was getting ready to mark the second hang-on bracket. First one, I believe I marked it, it was 36 inches from the floor. And then the next one, I believe it was 24 inches from the floor. Just tried to space them out a little bit and put them at a height where it's easy to reach them, and seemed to work out perfectly for me anyways. Nice and organized, it looks pretty good like that, how I got the attachments to my Bowflex machine just hanging up. And I was just gonna hang the second set of brackets here, screw them in. Well, I was actually marking another pilot, where I was going to drill the other pilot hole for the stud. Just gonna drill those, pre-drill them again. It's always good to just pre-drill, that way it's easier for the stuff to go into the stud. Just threads in a lot easier. These brackets I got, I think they were pretty cheap when I bought them on Amazon. I didn't pay that much. I think there's like 12 of them in a pack. And it worked out to a little over $1 for each bracket. They're just pre-drilling now with the 1/4 inch drill bit. just getting ready to put the second set, screw them in now to the wall studs. They're in. I got the other attachments for my Bowflex machine hung up there. I don't have much room in that room. That's my little workout room. There's not much room. Make do with what I don't have tremendous space. I'm still able to have my little workout machine in there. And all those attachments I bought on Amazon and just made it so that the machine can be more utilized more. That's the thing with these Bowflex machines. You can customize to however you want. That's the beauty of this Bowflex machine. I've had tremendous results with it. Only using it for a little over a year. Yeah, everything's hung up nice and tidy. Easy peasy. You could put it all over in a corner somewhere, but I prefer to have it right there. That way when I'm working out, it's easy to get a hold of. And it just works out perfectly for me. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. It helps me a lot. Subscribe, please. It helps me very much. I appreciate everyone watching my channel, coming back to my YouTube channel. This is Resourceful Marcus, and hopefully the narration worked out on this video now. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Subscribe, it helps me very much. Thank you, I appreciate it. So I'm narrating this video because this video, the volume, the audio was screwed up in this video. So in this video, I'm taking and I'm custom mounting brackets to my wall studs where my Bowflex machine is. I'm marking them out with a tape measure. I'm going